Defense joins us on the phone line to give us his views on that. Nikhil, hi, afternoon. In your press release, you say that the exit from the CDR is expected to lead to improved financial flexibility and increased business opportunities for Pipavav Defense. Can you just take us through this this news flow?
Yes, please. Thank you so much. This is a big commitment by the Reliance Group because typically companies who are into CDR are not known to come out of the CDR before their actual time frame. So from that perspective, this is a really a big step going forward. Reliance is heavily committed into the defense business, which is one of the biggest opportunity in this country in the coming years, and particularly the Make in India call given by the Honorable Prime Minister. Defense will be one of the biggest beneficiary of that.
Sir,
so in order to achieve the full potential, Mr. Anil Ambani agreed to get out of the CDR, which will allow the company to secure far bigger contracts from the defense because
sir,
being the...
Mr. Gandhi, this is Varinder, okay? I just wanted to understand the contours of the CDR. There is still a long-term debt of nearly 5,500 crore and nearly 2,500 crore of short-term debt on the books of the company, that is Pipavav Shipyard. So can you just run us through what are the contours of the CDR?
See, the very fact that this will become a regular company like what it used to be, and
no, but how much the interest payment comes down for you? What are those nitty-gritties? Since you have now come as a company out of CDR.
Those information are available on the net of the company. But what is important is for you to understand that the company is getting out of CDR. It will become a usual, normal company, and whatever.
No, we understand that, Mr. Gandhi. But in your press release, you say that this will improve your financial flexibility. You're still sitting on a huge debt. So, if you can give us any ballpark numbers on how much your debt could come down to eventually, say, over the next 1 year, how much your interest costs will go down, and you also say that there are increased business opportunities. Can you, in some way, quantify that for us?
Yes, please. I think that currently, the defense opportunity in terms of the contract is running into $250 billion over the next 3 to 4 years. Reliance Defense, which is now acquiring the Pipavav Defense, is pitching for a mega contracts in Army, Navy and Air Force segment. And the getting out of the CDR will allow Pipavav and then the Reliance Defense to acquire a major contracts, for which the getting out of the CDR will be a big plus.
No, sir.
In terms of refinancing,
yeah.
The companies, the Reliance has taken the steps, which they will come and make a separate announcement. But the very fact that the getting out of CDR is an extremely bold step, extremely positive step. And of course, since I'm not going to be in the management, but I could see clearly this is a big plus point for any company who wants to come out of CDR. But it is not easy. It's an extremely bold step. It is not easy to get out of the CDR.
Right.
So I'm sure Reliance Group has clear understanding about what they are talking about. So in my mind, it will be beneficial for the company to acquire the large contract from the defense and from the other authorities.
All right, Mr. Gandhi, we'll leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us. But let's get back to the markets now. Doing quite well.